Hi guys, this is Gana. Today I'll tell you how to install Android Lollipop on your Nexus device manually. I have a Nexus 4 and it has KitKat, so I'll upgrade it to 5.0.1 Lollipop. First step is you have to download the factory image from the Google developers website for your Nexus device. I've already done for my Nexus 4. Second step, you have to download this minimal ADB Fastboot. Actually, you can download Android SDK, the platform tools, which has all the programs, but we just need these two programs, ADB and Fastboot. So you can download this particular program, minimal ADB Fastboot, for the installation. Install this minimal ADB Fastboot and add the installation path in your environment variable, in the path variable. So I have already installed it on my desktop. As you can see, this is the minimal ADB Fastboot, and I'll add the path. For that you have to go to computer properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, click on path, edit, and in the end you can add the installation, the path of the installation folder separated by a semicolon. I've already done it. uh, Next step, connect your Nexus device to the computer. It's already connected, and you have to check the USB debugging in the developers options. Let me go. Yeah, USB debugging, you have to check this option, uh, and always allow from this computer. You'll ask for some confirmation. Okay, by default you don't have this developer options on your computer mobile, so for it to show up you have to go to this build number and click 7 times, then you'll see this developer options. Guys, before doing the installation, make sure you have the uh, drivers installed properly on your computer. So next step, we'll open the terminal, this minimal ADB and Fastboot, and check the devices, ADB devices. As you can see, it shows the device ID and the device, that is the Nexus 4. Next, type ADB reboot bootloader. You can actually reboot using some volume and power button. You can check it on Google, but I'm not sure, so you can type it here. So it will, now my Nexus 4 is rebooting. Actually this Nexus 4 has some display issues. I dropped it in water like a year ago, so you cannot see what's going on, but I think it's in the bootloader now. Next you have to do, next you have to type OEM Fastboot OEM unlock, because by default your bootloader is always locked, so you have to do it, you have to unlock the bootloader. So for that, Fastboot OEM unlock. It says failed, already unlocked, because I had installed it previously, so I already unlocked it. But if you haven't unlocked it, it will take some time and then you'll get the message okay, so you can go unlock. Once it's unlocked, now you're ready to install the factory image in your device. So the next step is you have to use this 7-zip to extract the contents of the factory image to a folder, and next run flash all.bat file. So I'll go to that. Yes, this is the factory image for the Lollipop 5.0.1. I'll go to 7-zip manager and extract the contents. 7-zip. Okay. See, you can see this one, I guess. Yes. Once you click on this, you will get to see the contents of this folder. Okay, now you can extract it to any folder you want. I'll put it on desktop. And Lollipop. Okay, so the extraction is done. Now you have to go to the desktop and run the BAT file, flash all BAT file. So here is the Lollipop folder. If you go there, you can see there is one flash all BAT file. For Linux, I think this is the shell script. So I'll click on this flash all. Uh, it will load all the image, radio and baseband and everything. It will take some time, maybe like 2-3 minutes. So you have to be a little patient. Don't panic that nothing is going wrong. I've done it already 3 times, so it works fine. Actually, I got the Lollipop update, Lollipop 5.0 update from KitKat through OTA. I did it, and after that, I got this 5.0.1 OTA. But somehow, I think while installation, it got corrupted, and even though it was installed, but it was giving me um, running out of memory, and every application was I was not able to open any app. So I thought of doing a fresh installation. As you can see, now it's finished. So guys, I finally uh, got my Nexus 4 to restart, and now it's upgrading to Lollipop. As you can see, I got the Lollipop installed. Let's go ahead and do the print open one. Yes. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and before doing this, please take a backup of all your data, because once you do the OEM unlock, it will erase all the data. So please make sure you do that, and please let me know if you have any queries or comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.